Imagine crispy, golden fries or a perfectly roasted chicken, all cooked in minutes with barely a drop of oil. This Bare Air Fryer, all metal, 8-in-1, 6.4 quart, delivers exactly that. A healthier, faster, and more versatile way to prepare family meals. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or someone craving guilt-free fried treats, this air fryer is designed to transform your kitchen experience. In this review, we'll dive into why this appliance is a must-have, exploring its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your home. Why choose the Bare Air Fryer? Air fryers have become a kitchen staple, but the Bare Air Fryer stands out with its sleek, all-metal design, large capacity, and multifunctionality. It's not just about frying, it's about baking, roasting, grilling, and reheating with ease. With a 6.4 quart capacity, it's ideal for families of 4 to 6, and its 8 preset cooking modes make it a breeze to whip up everything from steak to cake. Plus, its dishwasher-safe, non-stick basket, and 360-degree hot air circulation technology ensure effortless cooking and cleanup. Let's break down what makes this air fryer a cut above the rest. Key features that impress: 6.4 quart large capacity. Spacious square basket accommodates large batches, perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. 8 preset cooking modes: air fry, bake, roast, grill, reheat, and more, with one-touch settings for fries, wings, steak, shrimp, and even cake. 360-degree hot air circulation. No need to flip food, ensures even cooking and crispy results every time. All-metal design, durable, safe, and promotes consistent airflow for healthier, tastier meals. Adjustable temp and timer, customize cooking from 145 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set timers up to 9 hours for ultimate flexibility. Visible window, monitor your food's progress to achieve the perfect golden finish without opening the fryer. Non-stick dishwasher-safe basket. Cleanup takes seconds, leaving you more time to enjoy your meal. Healthier cooking. Uses 85% less oil than traditional frying, delivering crispy results with fewer calories. Benefits that matter: time-saving efficiency. Cooks meals up to 15 minutes faster than traditional methods, ideal for busy weeknights. Health-conscious meals. Enjoy fried favorites like wings or fries with significantly less oil, supporting a balanced diet. Versatility for every cook. From beginners to pros, the presets and adjustable settings make cooking foolproof. Family-friendly portions. Feeds 4 to 6 people, making it perfect for gatherings or meal prepping. Low-maintenance design. Dishwasher-safe parts and a non-stick basket mean less time scrubbing and more time relaxing. Real-world performance. Putting the Bare Air Fryer to the test. To see if the Bare Air Fryer lives up to its promises, I tested it with a variety of dishes: crispy French fries, juicy chicken wings, a roasted vegetable medley, and even a chocolate cake. The results? Consistently impressive. The 360-degree hot air circulation delivered evenly cooked food without the need to flip, and the visible window let me check progress without losing heat. Fries came out golden and crunchy in just 12 minutes, while the chicken wings were succulent with a perfect crisp exterior. The cake? Moist and evenly baked, proving this fryer's baking prowess. The presets were a standout feature. Selecting French fries or chicken wings adjusted the temperature and time automatically, taking the guesswork out of cooking. For more control, I tweaked the temperature for the roasted vegetables, setting it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for a caramelized finish. The large 6.4 quart basket easily handled a full meal for my family of 5, and cleanup was a breeze. Just pop the basket in the dishwasher. Who is this air fryer for? The Bare Air Fryer is perfect for busy families, Large capacity and fast cooking make it ideal for quick, wholesome meals. Health-conscious eaters. Less oil means guilt-free indulgence in fried foods. Home cooks of all levels. Presets simplify cooking, while adjustable settings offer flexibility for experienced chefs. Small kitchens. Compact yet powerful, it fits neatly on countertops without sacrificing capacity. Meal preppers. Cook large batches to save time during the week. Why it's worth the investment. At its price point, the Bare Air Fryer offers premium features without breaking the bank. The combination of a large capacity, versatile cooking modes, and durable all-metal construction makes it a standout in the crowded air fryer market. Plus, the included 365-day warranty and all-day customer service provide peace of mind. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or buying your first air fryer, this appliance delivers exceptional performance and convenience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.